Do you want to hide last seen on Instagram? You can turn off last seen on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To hide your last seen status on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you're on your Insta profile page. At the top right of the profile, tap on the 3 horizontal line menu. A new screen will appear with different settings and privacy options. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact With You section. Under this, find and tap on Messages and Story Replies. A new screen will appear. Tap on Show Activity Status. You'll now see a toggle switch button next to Show Activity Status. Turn off this toggle switch to hide your last seen status from others. Now, your followers and friends won't see both your last seen and active status, and you won't be able to see theirs either.